Okay, we are here in Isora as I'm speaking to the rest of the colleagues as journalists on the ground who came and make an assessment earlier on. According to the information which we have received from the local residents who are here right now as we got it is, out of the rest, there were 6 laborers who are working on this construction building. Out of the 6, 5 were found. Out of the 5, 4 were found still alive. 1 died at the spot on the same time as we found what is ongoing. As the search is still ongoing for the other remaining person who is still not found, as the rescue team from both sides, that is fire brigades, who are still found not yet, as they still continue. As some of the people who are still on the ground were still, as we're still searching, as they're ongoing, as the people who are still rescuing the ground, as they're still on looking. As you can see here, there are some certain people who are still trying, who volunteer to help on this ongoing search, as there is 1 person who is still missing. Let's cross to listen to also to some people who are still on the ground here to hear much of this from them and have more information. Sultan yes. Ogalu mader tabantar buku. Bueno. Sultan dia. Sultan taban nak derbes mina kaba.
Ay masa na agi urus kalam dia asada.
Okay.
Ay asal taban gibel me aja ini.
Ay.
Oh nas me wonusu.
Okay.
Ay.
Okay, yan itama bagder kelim.
Ay me gibel jain kal me wonusu.
Taban aja rasil fil.
Witness de ana fizol kan mojud. Ay jiba sin wonusu badan.
Okay, taban aja rasil fil ataki. Taban nakandir nas mamina kaba kida.
Ana hila de suma latne.
Okay.
Ay fizol wonusu. Barsha mazol ay witness de fede sub jawrus meta.
Okay, خلاص
بس كان جاب جبرته وجهه.
اوكي ما في مشكله.
ليف اوكي تمام الحمد لله تمام
بس bukan lagi menambah. Guys, wait first. I'm still trying to speak. They're refusing to speak, but that's why I'm convincing them to speak to us, because you know they're saying they're refusing, but I'm still convincing.